Rabbi, back in Cardiff, Slovakia first, then Croatia, of course. Just nice to be back with the Wales squad.
Yeah, it's always nice to meet up with the Wales squad, and hopefully we get the right results and enjoy it.
Is it even nicer these days, because with you being out in Germany as well, nice to come home?
Yeah, obviously, like you said, being out in Germany, like I don't get too much time to come back home, and when I do is obviously good. Obviously, coming away with Wales is even better, but yeah, it's good to be back.
How are things out in Germany? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Everything's going good, thank you, yeah.
It's interesting because you're not the first, obviously. A lot of young players suddenly have started looking abroad, but it wasn't happening for a while. Is it a good experience?
Yeah, it's a great experience. I highly recommend it. Like, obviously, I'm enjoying it. I'm at Schalke, and everything's going good. Hopefully, like I keep getting some minutes and keep playing, and but I'm learning a lot, and like I said, I'm enjoying it.
And scoring goals as well. That must have been nice.
Yeah, it was good to get my first goal. I've been onto myself for not scoring yet, and to get it away to Leipzig, and for my first start of the season after being injured was fantastic. Yeah. Yeah,
I guess that helps the club because it's a good win as well, good away win for the team. So it must be nice to be not watching from the bench. You're part of it. You contribute. It must be a big thing.
Yeah, it was a great thing. Like every player doesn't want to be on a bench, even at my age. Like obviously I moved there to obviously play regular football, and hopefully I'll get there eventually. But yeah, it was great to get my first start and get my first goal. Yeah.
What's the club like? Because you experienced Cardiff, then Man City. Are the clubs different out in Germany with the whole atmosphere?
Schalke is a really passionate club. Like the fans are really passionate, and it's fantastic because like everyone's in there together, and like when we play, like you can feel like the fans that are in there with us. So yeah, it's brilliant. I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
Hopefully we get the same atmosphere for these Wales games coming up as well.
Yeah.
For a Cardiff boy as well, is it nice for you to play at the Cardiff Stadium?
Yeah, like I said, I haven't played there yet, so to play there will be fantastic for me. Like I've always dreamed, like obviously growing up, that I'd play there, but obviously I didn't play there, obviously moving away. But I hope I get to play there next weekend. But if not, then I wish the boys, obviously, the ones who will be playing the best. But
fair play. So even youth level, did you not get on the pitch at all?
No, I've gone there, but but I haven't played the game. No, I haven't played the game there. No.
That'll be some experience then. Your family's still in Cardiff, I take it.
Yeah, my family's still in Cardiff. Yeah, it'll be a brilliant moment. Like I said, I've grew up in Cardiff, basically all my life, so it'll be fantastic to hopefully play on it. Yeah.
And more European experience this week out to Slovakia, of course, and Croatia. At home, how big is this challenge in the next few days?
Yeah, like I said before, like every team in our group it's not going to be an easy game. So we are looking forward to it. We're all excited. We all know what we have to do, and hopefully we can just deliver on the day. Yeah.
As you say, even Azerbaijan, Wales beat Azerbaijan last time round. People were sort of not happy with the performance. Then they go and get a result against Croatia. So I guess that just shows how tight it is.
Exactly. Yeah. Like you can't take anyone for granted in this group. So we have to be focused, we have to be on it and just give our all on the day, and like I said, hopefully hopefully deliver the right result. Yeah.
A lot of the guys in there just now talking about the young guys in the squads. Is it nice, because it happened with the senior guys by now, Bale and Ramsey and the boys, is it nice that there's another generation coming through together?
Yeah, of course, it's always nice to see young players coming through any team, so obviously to have it in our team in Wales now is brilliant. Hopefully we can just keep performing and keep improving. Yeah.
We've always heard, even Gareth Bale saying it's like being with your mates. Is it because in Germany, I guess, you've gone to a new environment, so is it more like coming back to your mates when you're with them?
Yeah, like even in Germany it's fun, and like it's like being with your mates there as well. So even at Wales is even more like we're all young, we're all enjoying our time here with Wales, and it's just fantastic, and hopefully like we all keep meeting up and improving and making the nation happy.
Hopefully there's a next generation coming through. That includes one of the family as well. Is it Jaffet that's with the Wales setup?
Yeah, he's in the regionals. Like he knows I'm always onto him to keep improving, to stay focused, because I've been in this position as well. So he knows it's not going to be easy, but hopefully like one day, like you said, he can come through as well.
What sort of player is he?
To be fair, I haven't got so much time to watch him because I'm always in Germany and stuff, but I don't know. I'd say like he's a good dribbler of the ball, good technique, and like a good player, and hopefully he can get in a Wales squad in the future, and hopefully.
Sounds like you. But you mentioned that pathway, because not born in Wales, but living in Wales from a young age, that pathway must be very important, being with the Wales setup at such an early age. Yeah,
it's crazy. Like, obviously, like since young, I've always wanted to play for Wales, and like getting an opportunity now at such a young age is fantastic. Yeah.
Brilliant. I'm mixing it with Gareth Bale, hopefully Aaron Ramsey this time round as well. That must be fun.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Like I said before, they're both world-class players, and to have them both in one team is fantastic. So hopefully he will be, and hopefully they can do the job with us in the weekend, obviously against Croatia. Yeah.
And just finally, we really enjoyed your response when they called you British on Twitter, scoring out the Bundesliga straight in, telling them you're Welsh. That gave us a smile. It's obviously, it means a lot to you.
Yeah, it does mean a lot to me. Like I said, grew up in Cardiff. I do feel Welsh. So yeah, I've enjoyed my moments with Wales, even at youth level, and hopefully plenty more to come. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thanks for your time. We hope we get on that Cardiff pitch at last.
Yeah, I hope so.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Thank you. Yeah.